8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Murfreesboro around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Las Casas and Rockville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 75 and 89. Interstate 840 between mile markers 48 and 52. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.